Is it audible? Check ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Is it audible? Okay. Visibility ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು. Okay, right. So, good morning, students. In the last class, we were talking about the Laplace transformation of the different waveforms. In continuation with a few more problems, I am doing it. So now, find the Laplace transformation of another problem, examination. Find the Laplace transform of the waveform shown in figure. Like this. 0, 1, 2, 3. Amplitude is 1. This is 2. Okay. Now, find the Laplace transformation of it. How will you do that? Generally, this kind of question 8 to 10 marks. Right. So now I'll start writing the R of t is equal in terms of ramp. There is a ramp function with a slope of what is the starting from 0. That I can write it as what? R of t. R of t starting from 0. Slope is 1. 1 divided by 1, 1 R of t up to this point. After going to this one, first you cut this ramp, then you come down. See, when this ramp is going like this, it is going like, so therefore if you cut this ramp, it will become horizontal, it will be here. Then you come down by step. Then you come down by one more step here. So therefore, first of all, see, when you're going like this, let us say when you're going like this, if you cut the ramp, it will become like this. If you won't cut the ramp, what will happen is, let us say if you are adding a step here, what will happen is, step down if you go to, it will come like this and further it will go like this. So therefore, don't do that. First you cut this ramp, it will become horizontal. Then you come down by one step. So therefore, what is that? We can write it. R of t with a slope of 1 up to this point. Slope here also 1 only slope. 2 divided by 2 is 1 slope, y by x. Now, cut the ramp, minus R of t minus 2. Starting from 2, slope should become what? 0. So, initial slope is what? This is plus 1 slope. Slope plus 1 is there. Slope we can write it as plus 1. Plus 1 slope. Now, if you want to get a 0 slope, what you should add? Minus 1, so that the slope becomes equal to 0 here. Once it becomes 0, come down by one step. That is minus u of t minus 2. Okay, you have come down by one step. Now you are going with like this. Now once again you come down by one more step. Minus u of t minus 3. That's it. Now you go for the, what is that? Representation. Not this one, sorry. This is, you call it as f of t. You call this one as f of t. F of t is equal, right, in terms of step. R of t is nothing but what? T into u of t minus t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. And step you keep it as it is. Minus u of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 3. Okay, right. In the examination, what you should do? Let us take. Let f1 of t be equal to, what? R of t. R of t is nothing but what? T into u of t. F2 of t is equal to, minus R of t minus 2, which is nothing but equal to minus of t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. And F3 of t is equal to, it is already in step, you write minus u of t minus 2. And F4 of t is equal to minus u of t minus 3. Therefore, f of t is equal to, what is that you can write it? F1 of t plus F2 of t plus F3 of t plus F4 of t. So for VTU, they want explanation for each and every step because they are asking 10 marks, 8 marks, 12 marks. Therefore, give all this. But ultimately, you are writing only one line. I am giving a shortcut. So after getting the shortcut, VTU may expecting the explanation. So therefore, you write reverse engineering, you do it. Go back and check it, and you write it in terms of step. So now Now you go for the Laplace transformation of it. Laplace transformation of it. Laplace transformation, what will you get? F of s is equal to, what is the Laplace transformation of t? T into u of t. T into u of t is nothing but equal to what? T into u of t is nothing but equal to 1 by s square. 1 by s square. 1 is 1 by s. So therefore, what will you get? 1 by s square minus t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. 1 by s square. Once again, you write it. 1 by s square into shifted by an amount equal to 2. Shifted by an amount equal to 2 means what? E to the power of minus 2s. E to the power of minus 2s, we can write it. Okay, right. Next, u of t minus 2. U of t minus 2 means what? U of t. U of t is nothing but equal to what? 1 by s. U of t is nothing but equal to 1 by s. E to the power of minus 2s. And minus u of t is what? 1 by s into e to the power of t minus is shifted, minus 3s. That's it. That is the Laplace transformation of the given waveform. This kind of questions will be asked for 8 marks, 6 marks, 12 marks, 10 marks and all we have seen. Very easy to score the marks here in case of Laplace transformations. Okay, right? So therefore, please carefully do these problems, right? So I have given the shortcuts for all these things, but shortcut is not sufficient for VT. You may expect, because they are giving 8 marks, 10 marks, at least on 10 lines you write it. Go for the next one. Another problem, same kind, which was asked in one of the examinations. I'll tell you that. Okay, right. Obtain the Laplace 8 marks question. Obtain the Laplace transformation of the waveform like this. This is 2, this is 0, this is 4, this is 10. Slope is different, it is not 1 now. F of t. Whatever may be the slope, slope is y by x only. That is 9th standard formula. Y is equal to mx plus c and slope is y by x. Okay. Now, what is that we have? F of t is equal to, write down in terms of r of t. F of t is equal to slope y by x. Y is 10, x is 2. 10 by 2 is what? 5. Increasing means plus slope. So 5 into r of t. 5 into r of t. And we'll have to cut the same slope. If this cut, but what is that we have? Initial slope is what? Now you write down here. So initial slope, what is that we have? We have plus 5 is there. Okay, right. But see that this slope is what? Here slope is plus 5. Here slope is minus 5 because y by x. Y divided by x is what? Y is 10 no, divided by 2. So 5. Decreasing means minus 5. Slope is minus 5. Here slope is 0. So now what is that we have? Plus 5, I will have to make it minus 5. Plus 5, if you want to make it minus 5, what I should add? 10 I should, sorry, minus 10 I should add. Because initial slope is plus 5. I want minus 5 slope. How will you get minus 5? For to get minus 5, I should add minus 10. Minus 10 from where? 2. Minus 10 from 2. Therefore, what you should do? Minus 10. Ramp function from 2 is what? T minus 2. Sorry. Now I am going with a slope of minus 5. I want slope of 0. If you want slope of 0, what I should add? Plus 5. Plus 5 from where? 4. So therefore, plus 5 into r of t minus 4, starting from 4. That's it. Okay, that is the answer. But now we'll have to give the, what is that, description. F of t is equal, right, in terms of a step, 5t into u of t minus 10t in t minus 2 into u of t minus 2 plus 5t minus 4 into u of t minus 4. That's it. Now, go back and check it out. F1 of t. Let F1 of t be equal to, what is that we have? 5r of t, which is nothing but equal to 5t into u of t. Let F2 of t be equal to minus 10 into r of t minus 2, which is equal to minus 10 into t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. F3 of t. F3 of t is equal to 5 into r of t minus 4, which is equal to 5t minus 4 into u of t minus 4. Okay, right? So that is your F3 of t. Okay, right. So f of t is equal to f1 of t plus f2 of t plus f3 of t. Now take the Laplace transformation. Taking Laplace transformation, f of s is equal to what? 5 into 1 by t ಅಂದ್ರೆ s square, 1 by s square plus minus 10 into t into u of t. T into u of t is what? 1 by s square, but is shifted by an amount equal to 2 units, therefore minus 2s plus 5 into 1 by s square, 5 into 1 by s square into e to the power of minus 4s. That's it. That's how we should do it. Okay. So that is the way we should do the problem. It's very easy one. Now let us move on to one more problem. Okay. Another examination problem which was asked for 10 marks in the examination. Okay. So this was like this. This is 5. This is minus 2. And this is 5. This is 0. This is 3. This is 4. We don't know this. Okay. So this is the f of t. Find the Laplace transformation, is said. Okay. The peculiarity of this one is we don't know. We'll have to find out this one. That is the beauty of this problem. Many students will struggle there itself. Okay, right. So now what is that we have? We'll have to start from what is that? 0 with amplitude 5. So therefore, what you should do? First you go up. F of t is equal to go up by first 5 units. If you take a ramp from this point itself, it will start decreasing from here itself. Therefore, first you go up. If you go up, don't use a delta function, step function. You go up by a step function. What is that? You can write it u of t, first one. Then you add a ramp. Ramp slope is how much? Height is 5. Height is 5. Width is 3. Or you can take this much also. This we don't know, but you take 3. So 5 by 3 is the slope. Plus or minus, decreasing, no? Minus 5 by 3 into, from the same point only, 0 only it started. Therefore, r of t. Now the slope is 5. Okay. Now, what is this point? You will have to calculate. What distance it has moved to come down by a distance 2. See that? For come down by 5 units, it will take to see. So that you can calculate easily. To come down by 5 units, it took 3. To come down by 1 unit, how much is that? 3 by 5 it will take. See? To come down by 5 units, the width it has taken is what? 3 units. Now, since I don't know this one, if you want to come down by 2 units, how much distance? To come down by 2 units, how much distance it should move? That we should calculate. See that? To come down by 5 units, it is 3. To come down by 1 unit, it is 3 by 5. Therefore, to come down by 2, it should be. come down by 2 units, it should move by how many units? That much units it should be. So calculate ಮಾಡಿ madam ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 by 5. It is 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is 1.2 if I am right. ನೋಡಿ. So therefore, this distance will be 1.2. Therefore, this point should be 4.2. That should be, so that's how we should calculate. So to come down by this much distance, how much I should move? So that I can get that. So now further you write down the equation. So I am coming down by like this. I am going like this. First you should make it, cut the ramp. Negative ramp, you should cut it. So if you want to cut the same ramp, this ramp, you'll have to cut the same slope. So what is the slope we have? It is coming down by a slope of minus 5 by 3. So if you want to cut that ramp, I should add with the same slope. So therefore, what I should add? Plus 5 by 3. From where I should cut? From the point 4.2. So therefore, R of t minus 4.2. R of t minus 4.2, I should add it. From 4.2, I am cutting this ramp. Now, it will not be 0 now. You see this, it is going like this. I am cutting means it become horizontal. Now you up by the same unit. So up by a step plus, how much height is there? Plus 2 units. Plus 2 units, it will have to go up. Plus 2 into u of t minus 4.2. That's it. That's how we should write it. Therefore, let f1 of t, now you go for this, go back. f1 of t is what? U of t. f2 of t is equal to what? Minus 5 by 3 into r of t, which is equal to minus 5 by 3 into t into u of t. And f3 of t is equal to plus 5 by 3 into r of t minus 4.2, which is nothing but equal to 5 by 3 into t minus 4.2 into u of t minus 4.2. Next, f4 of t is equal to what? f4 of t is equal to 2 into u of t minus 4.2. So therefore, f of t, if you want to get this waveform, f of t should be equal to f1 of t plus f2 of t plus f3 of t plus f4 of t. We can write it. Now you write this one whole thing in terms of step so that we can easily find the Laplace transformation. F of t is equal to what? U of t minus 5 by 3 into t into u of t plus 5 by 3 into t minus 4.2 into u of t minus 4.2 plus 2 into t minus 4.2, sorry, t into 2 into u of t minus 4.2, because already it is in step 2. Okay, right. Now you take the Laplace transformation. If you take the Laplace transformation, f of s is equal to u of t 1 by s minus 5 by 3 into 1 by s square plus 5 by 3 into 1 by s square into e to the power of minus 4.2s plus 2 into 1 by s into e to the power of minus 4.2s. That's it. That is your Laplace transformation. Right? Now, with this, now so far we have done all aperiodic. That means aperiodic is nothing but what? Which is not repeating. Now it is, if it is periodic, what you should do? Okay, right? So this is very, very important. In the many of the examination, we have seen this kind of questions. Okay. So to do so, to find the Laplace transformation of the periodic signals, we have one more property we call as periodicity property. Using that property, we are going to find out the what is that? Laplace transformation of a periodic signal, right? So now we shall go for the periodicity property. In the Laplace transformation, if you know the sum of the Laplace transformation concepts and all, no, easily you can get it because subtopics are not there. So therefore, if you know the properties, definition and few problems, you will get a full 2 questions. 40 marks will be there. Easily you can score any one of them. You can easily answer because Laplace transformation is a separate module. On the other hand, if you take the two-port network and resonance, and two concepts are merged. So therefore, you have to learn a lot. Here it is very easy to score. Easily you will get 20 marks in that, right? So periodicity property. Let us say I want to find out the Laplace transformation of, let us consider a periodic signal like this. Periodic is nothing but one which is repeating after certain interval. The interval we call as period, after which your signal is repeated. Okay, let us say periodic signal whose period is t. This is 2t, 3t, 4t. And let us say height is equal to L. Okay, right. So this height is equal to, let us say, L. This I'll call as f of t. So what I will do is, this is nothing but, now if you want to get the signal, it is the sum of the number of aperiodic signals like this sort. Okay, right. Let us say I'll take one signal. This I'll call as f1 of t up to this point. Next one, I'll take this, I'll call as f1 of t. Next one, I'll take a signal from here to here. This is t, this is 2t. This I'll call as f2 of t. That means every periodic signal is sum of the number of aperiodic signals. And this one I'll call as f3 of t. And this one I'll call it as f4 of t. Like this it will repeat. Okay, right? This is 2t to 3t. This is 3t to 4t. So on it will go, right? This I'll call it as f3 of t. This I'll call it as f4 of t. If that is the case, f of t is nothing but equal to what? F of t is nothing but equal to f1 of t plus f2 of t plus f3 of t plus f4 of t plus so on. Okay, right. Now, what is that you can write it? So you can write it in the form of what? F of t can be written as this one, f1 of t, as it is you write it. Second one is nothing but what? Shifted by an amount equal to f1 of t, shifted by an amount equal to t, you will get this one. So therefore, f2 of t is nothing but equal to f1 of t minus t, I can write it. f3 of t is nothing but equal to what? f3 of t is nothing but equal to f1 of t shifted by an amount equal to 2t units. Therefore, f1 of t minus 2t plus f1 of t minus 3t plus so on. Okay, right? So that is your f of t is equal to, what is that you can write it? Take the Laplace transformation, take the Laplace transformation of the f of s is equal to what? f1 of s plus shifted by an over, what is that? f1 of s into e to the power of minus ts plus f1 of s into e to the power of minus 2ts plus f1 of s into e to the power of minus 3ts plus so on. You'll get this. So therefore, we can write it as what? F of s is equal to what? We take f1 of s common, 1 plus e to the power of minus ts plus e to the power of minus 2ts plus e to the power of minus 3ts plus so on. That is your f of s, you will get it, right? So this is nothing but a series only, okay, right? So explain series, f of s is nothing but equal to f1 of s into. So this is nothing but what is that? You can write it 1 minus e to the power of minus ts whole to the power of minus 1. E to the power of minus ts. So you can expand the series automatically. Since minus is there, minus of minus, you will get plus, you will get it. And this we can write it as to the power of whole to the power of minus 1. Therefore, f of s is equal to f1 of s divided by 1 minus e to the power of minus ts. That's it. So therefore, you don't need to worry much about that. What you should do? Find the Fourier transformation of the one period and divide it by 1 minus e to the power of minus ts. That's how we can find out the Laplace transformation of a periodic signal, right? If that is the case, we shall go with an examination problem. Okay, right? Question is something like this. Okay. Synthesize the waveform shown in figure. So this is an examination question which was asked in 2015. 6 marks. Synthesize the waveform shown in figure and find the Laplace transformation of the periodic waveform. 6 marks. Okay. January 2015, 6 marks. So synthesize the waveform. So he has given like this. Okay. 0, t by 2, t, 3t by 2, 2t plus so on. Amplitude is 1, 1. This he called as v of t. And this he called it as t. Okay. Synthesize the waveform. Synthesize the waveform means you will have to write down the equation for the given waveform. Okay. And then we can go for this, right? Okay, right. So how will you do this? First you write down this, find out the f1 of t. And f1 of t you write down. So first one cycle, this is, see, it is repeated after the interval t. So same thing is repeated. So this is f1 of t. Only one you take it. That is more than sufficient. We know the formula for this. For a periodic signal, f1 of s divided by 1 minus e to the power of minus ts we said. So now you find out f1 of t, Fourier transform, write down the f1 of t, synthesize the f1 of t, find the Laplace transformation of it, divided by 1 minus e to the power of minus ts, you will get the answer. So 0, t by 2, t and amplitude is 1. This is your f1 of t. f1 of t can be written as what? f1 of t. f1 of t is equal to what? Start ramp signal starting from 0 is what? Slope is what? 1 divided by t by 2. 1 divided by t by 2. 1 divided by t by 2 into what is that? You can write it into r of t. R of t. Next, you will have to cut the ramp, same ramp. But what is the slope is what? Here. Slope is plus 1. Slope is 1 divided by t by 2, which is nothing but equal to 2 by t. Now, what I should have? Slope is what? Slope is this one, first one. Slope is what? Minus of this one. Okay, minus of this one means it will become horizontal. Minus 2 times this one. So therefore, minus 2 times, what is that we have? The slope of this one is 2 by t. And if you want, what is that? Initial slope is, what is that we have? 2 by t. I want a slope of minus 2 by t. If you want to get a slope of minus 2 by t, I should add minus 2 times 2 by t. If you add minus 2 times 2 by t, you will get minus 2 by t. So therefore, what is that I am doing it? R of t, which is nothing but minus 4 by t. 4 by t into, what is that? R of t minus t by 2. Now I am going with a slope of, what is that? minus 2 by t. Now I want to make the slope of 0. Slope is equal to 0. Slope is equal to 0. If you want a slope of 0, what I should add? I should cut down the same. That means if you want to get a slope of 0, I should add plus 2 by t. So therefore, what will I get? Plus 2 by t into r of t minus t, starting from capital T, no? So shifted by an amount equal to. So this is what we should do it. So therefore, if you are getting this one means what? So this one we can write it as f1 dash of t. So here we should write it as f1 dash of t. f1 dash of t is what? f1 dash of t you call first part. f1 of t is nothing but equal to f1 dash of t plus f1 double dash of t plus f1 triple dash of t. Because already f1 of t, f2 of t, f3 of t we have given to this some other concept, right? So therefore, f1 dash of t is what? f1 dash of t is equal to 2 by t into r of t. 2 by t into r of t, which is nothing but equal to 2 by t into u of t. f2 dash of t is equal to what? f2 dash of t is equal to, sorry, f1 dash of t is, f1 double dash of t is equal to what? Minus 4 by t into r of t minus t by 2, which is nothing but equal to minus 4 by t into t minus t by 2 into u of t minus t by 2. f1 triple dash of t is equal to, f1 triple dash of t is equal to what? 2 by t into r of t minus t, which is equal to 2 by t into t minus t into u of t minus t. We can write it. Okay, right. So now f1 of t can be, therefore f1 of t can be written as what? f1 dash of t plus f2 dash, f1 double dash of t, f1 triple dash of t. Write it in terms of step. What will you get? f1 dash of t is what? 2 by t into u of t minus 4 by t into t minus t by 2 into u of t minus t by 2. Next, plus 2 by t into t minus t into u of t minus t. Now you take the Laplace transformation of it. Laplace transformation of it we call it as what? f1 of s. 2 by t into what? 1 by s square minus 4 by t into 1 by s square into e to the power of minus t by 2 into s, shifted by an amount equal to t by 2 plus 2 by t into 1 by s square into e to the power of minus ts. This is your f1 of s. Now, what is by periodicity property? By periodicity property, we have, what is that? We can write as f of s is equal to f1 of s divided by 1 minus e to the power of minus t by s, ts. Therefore, f of s is e to the, sorry. Okay. Therefore, f of s is equal to, what is that we have? 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power of minus ts. Period is t only. Here also period is t only. So I am keeping it as into f1 of s is what? 2 by ts square minus 4 by ts square into e to the power of minus t by ts by 2 plus 2 by ts square into e to the power of minus ts. That's it. That's how we should find out. This will fetch you 8 marks in the exam. 6 marks, sorry. 6 marks in the examination. So you can do easily this kind of problems. So many of them are repeated like anything, right? We have another examination problem from the recent paper. This is repeated many times. January 2020, January 2020, 11 marks. August, September 2020, 10 marks. January 2018, 7 marks. January 2016, 10 marks. That many number of times we have seen this question. I'm talking only about the recent. Earlier 2011 also it was asked for 10 marks. Anyhow, obtain the Fourier transformation of the periodic signal shown in figure. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this it will go. The amplitude is equal to 1. He called this one as x of t. Okay. How will you do this problem? So let us call this one as x of t. X of t is nothing but equal to what? X of t. You call it as x1 of t. Let x1 of t be equal to only. So period here is, even though signal is there up to 1, you see after this period only it will repeat. So therefore period is 2, not 1. So therefore you should take the period as like this. This is your signal. 0, 1, 2. After 2 only it is repeating. Don't say that, sir, it's gap, it is 1 only period. No. After this period only, this whole thing. See, this whole thing is repeating. Therefore, the period is 2, not 1. Okay. Signal may lies up to 1 point, up to time 1. But signal, what is that? Repeated after the interval 2. So therefore, so this is your x1 of t. Okay. Right. x1 of t can be written as what? x1 of t can be written as, x1 of t can be written as, first you go up by 1 step. Because it is ramp is starting from this point, step up by 1 unit. Therefore, what is that? You can write it u of t. Now, after going step 1, then you come down minus r of t. Step is 1 only. See, the slope is 1 only. 1 divided by 1 slope, decreasing minus. Now I am going with this slope. But if I continue with the same thing, what will happen? It is going like this. So you cut the ramp. So cut the ramp, what you should do? Start from this point, you cut the ramp. Minus r of t minus 1. Starting from 1, you cut the ramp. So once you cut the ramp at this point, it will go horizontal. That's it. So therefore, x1 of t is equal to this one. So x1 dash of t is u of t. x1 double dash of t is equal to minus r of t. x1 triple dash of t is equal to, let this be equal to minus r of t minus 1. Now you write in all these things in terms of step. This is anyhow already step. Minus t into u of t minus t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. That's it. Okay, right. So therefore, x of t is equal to x1 of t is equal to x1 dash of t plus x2 dash of t plus x3 dash of t. You can write it. Sorry, x1 double dash, x1 double dash, x1 triple dash, sorry. Okay, right. So like that we can write it. So therefore, now you go for the, therefore x1 of t is equal to, therefore x1 of t is what? U of t minus r of t. Minus r of t is written as what? Minus t into u of t. Minus t into u of t. And what is this x1 triple dash of t? Is x1 triple dash of t is minus of t minus 1 into minus of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. You know the Laplace transformation is of this one is very easy. x1 of s is equal to 1 by s minus 1 by s square minus 1 by s square into e to the power of minus ts. Minus t is what? The time period. So shifted by an amount equal to what is that? Minus s shifted by an amount equal to minus 1 unit minus s, we can write it. Okay, right. Shifted by 1 unit. So this is your x1 of s. Okay. X of s is equal to what? X of s is equal to x1 of s divided by 1 minus e to the power of minus ts. X of s is equal to x1 of s 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power of, you should carefully answer here. Period is not 1, it is 2. Therefore, what I should do? Minus 2s into 1 by s minus 1 by s square minus 1 by s square into e to the power of minus s. That's it. That will fetch you 10 marks, 11 marks, 12 marks like that. Okay. So this is an examination problem from the recent paper. Last 2 consecutive papers, August, September 2020 as well as January 2020, same problem is repeated. Okay. So you can easily do it. Okay. Anyhow, I'll continue in the next class. Few more examination problems are there from the papers, recent papers. I'll continue in the next class. Okay.